How's it going, everyone? Sarah here. This is going to be a super quick tutorial video. So I've already gone ahead and written all the code for it. You can go ahead and pause and copy it if you would like. But what I wanted to do was show a kind of a password thing, like a username and password kind of thing um, for processing. So I have a string called typing, I have a string called saved, and basically that's all you need. Um, Print to the screen your text, whatever you're typing, and then the saved text, whatever is saved. There's a switch that checks if the password is Scipio in this case. Then I'm a huge fan of Code Lyoko. So Scipio unlocks Sector 5 in Code Lyoko. So I'm a huge fan of that. That's why I made the password Scipio. And then I made an incorrect one where if you type in just the word password, it'll say the password is incorrect. And then down here, void key pressed, this checks what key has been pressed. In this case, key code 32 is the space bar. So you'll see if I hold down the space bar, it'll say password cannot have spaces. If I press the space bar real quick, it'll just flash on the screen. Anyways, if I type in password is incorrect. But if I type in Scipio, you guessed the password. So it's a neat little method of making, like, if you want to have a username and a password, you can have it check two different things. You can have it check the username and the password, or in my case, I just have it checking a password. So now you'll notice if I type anything else, nothing happens. See, nothing happens if I type anything other than password and Scipio. So anyways, that's kind of what I wanted to go over. Keeping it short and sweet today. Yeah, I'm kind of a little bit of a nerd and I enjoy programming, so I wanted to go over this in case anyone was wondering how to do like a password kind of thing, or if anyone was trying to figure out how to do text input in processing, this is how you do it. So I'm actually going to go ahead and save this project. Make a projects folder, and I'll call it user input. But yeah, that's really all you need. So thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone.